So in this one, I'm going to speak to you guys about assigning specific values to a variable and how to do that. So we've looked at variables before. In the next video, I'm going to start looking at data types. But the way this works, we had normally name equals, we have the quotes and we have Bob, right? This equal sign here, let me zoom in as much as I can. Name is the variable. So let me put some comments in here actually. Let me just put hashtag name is the variable. Equal, so single equal, so equal tells it to save value. And finally, Bob in quotes is the value. So my program here doesn't do anything at the moment, but I'm using the variable called the name. I can call this anything I want. I can call this user, I can call this name, but let's just say name for now. Name equals Bob. I'm telling this variable, that's what this equal sign says. Make sure that this value called Bob is saved to name. Now again, remember, I can call this anything I want. It doesn't have to just be Bob. I can type anything in those quotes and it will save it, but it will be saved as name. I don't know what this is. I'm looking at it on screen right now and honestly it's confusing me, but if I go down here and I do print and I say name, that same value I typed in here is going to come down here. So if I click run now, F5 on my keyboard, look at that. I have the same value being run. So that's how we assign a value to a variable. Now the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to do different kinds of values to variables. So this is known as a string, and I'm going to show you how to do different types of values to a variable.